Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I do a Frohawk style. It's a pretty simple style. You can wear it to go out or just as an everyday hairstyle. So let's get started. So you'll need a boar brush, and I use the Blueberry Bliss curl control paste, and I use some bobby pins. Take the curls control paste and I put it on my sides, and then I brush it up. And then I just begin to use some bobby pins to pull my hair back towards the middle. So I do this, first I work my way down, and then I'll come back and reinforce where I put the initial bobby pins. I use the bobby pins from Sally's. I use a combination of the large and the small bobby pins. They provide a lot of tension and a lot of hold for me. I really like these better than any other bobby pins. So I do the same thing on the other side of my head. I just put a little bit of control paste, and then I brush my hair up, and then I just try to pull my hair as far to the middle as I can. Not too far, because you kind of want it to be like fluffy and full in the middle, but pull it away from your face enough so that you can give that Frohawk effect. So I just make sure that all my hair is secure in the middle. So that's what I've done here, and then I go back and I just make sure that if any parts feel loose, I go back and put some bobby pins in. So yeah, right now this is pretty much the style. So I go in and I just use a pick really briefly just to kind of pick it out to make it a little bit bigger. I didn't go crazy here, but you can go in as much as you'd like to use the pick to make it as big as you like. So these are the results. I'm gonna give you a quick spin. Thank you all for visiting my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and you can find me on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks guys, bye.